Howdy everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Keith Warren. On this video, we're going to show you how to cook up iguana. Now we want you to subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and to get started, we got to show you how we came about getting this iguana. Oh. Boom.
So this is what we're going to do. What we eat on them are the legs. You can eat more of them, but we're going to eat the legs on this one. And what we're going to do, we're just going to peel the skin. Just like this. We're going to take it right down to the feet. We're going to cut the foot off like that. And that's what you got right there. That's the front leg. We're going to do the same thing, the other front leg and the back legs.
All right, so what we're going to do, you got to start out right here. I've got the iguana quartered up. It's ready to go. Nice and washed up. I have my favorite fish fry. I like to mix it with some flour, and then I'll take it and put it in the pan. So I just put my fish fry with the flour, and then all I do is just bread each one. Look at that. It kind of looks like a chicken wing or a frog leg, doesn't it? Most people never had iguana, and I'll tell you what, it's some kind of good. A lot of people call it chicken of the tree.
Chicken of the tree, right?
Chicken of the tree.
Now that we have it all battered up, we're going to take it out and put it in the fish fryer. A lot of people wouldn't think about eating iguanas, but then in Central America and South America, people eat iguana all the time, and every time I've gone down there, I've wanted to try it. So why not? All right, the oil is not hot enough yet. I like to get it between 350 and 375. Another thing I like to do is, as I'm setting the iguana in, I want to do it where it's all separate. They're not touching each other. That way they get nice and crispy all the way around. All right, she's ready. Here we go. Ooh, looky there. Oh yeah. Once it's been in there a minute or so, I like to pick it up and just kind of turn it around a little bit, make sure it's still all separated, because I want it to cook all the way around. If it's stuck together, the batter doesn't cook well. So make sure and just leave it all separate when you drop it in and keep it separate. And then this is important because, when I fry something up, I want the batter to be nice and crispy. And so what I like to do, I like to take it and I like to put it on a little grate like this to where the air gets underneath it and it stays crispy all the way around. All right, this is what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't that look beautiful? I like to take my favorite seasoning for fish and season to liking. Now it's time to taste it. The cool thing about being a hunter, we get to taste whatever we take. But if you check out other videos on our channel, you'll see the way we cook a lot of other animals, and that's the cool thing about being a hunter. I appreciate you joining us. I'm fixing to try this dude out right here. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend. Woo, baby. That right there is some good stuff. I guarantee you. Yeah, good.